everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, going to take a look at a very rare 1967 Dodge Coronet RT convertible. I believe they built 628 of these cars, so very rare Mopar. Pretty car. I love the color combination, and yes, this is original. Factory medium turquoise with the white vinyl interior. It has a white convertible top. I posted the pictures of the top. Neat car. I actually bought this car out of about a 300 car private collection. The only thing I can say about the car, it's been sitting. It is an older restoration, so I'm sure there's going to be a little shakedown to this car. We have put a few miles on it. Again, it was a rotisserie restoration, so it's body color underneath. But it is older. Like I say, I think these cars have kind of been sitting and not being driven, which is usually the case when they come out of these big collections. Good looking car, real car. It is a factory, again, RT, one of 628 of them built, and a pretty car. Looks like the original trim, and again, you can pick at it a little bit. It's only got 60-some thousand miles on it. Again, it has been repainted. Love the 67 RT's hood. Dual chrome mirrors. Getting factory white interior, white top, power top, top works. Sorry, there's lots of little, I think he had the car like waxed or something. You see there's kind of wax all over it. Original tail panel, you can nitpick that. Car straight down the sides. Rear bumper looks good. Got the Magnum 500s with the Bias Ply Redlines. Again, as you walk around, there's some little stone pecks. There's some little things you can pick at. Like this here, this is just wax. That's going to come off, guys. That's just like where he had the car waxed for us before we picked it up. Aluminum radiator. Again, it is the original motor. They didn't have VIN numbers on these blocks, but you can match up the build dates. The build dates are correct. You know, pretty stock underneath the hood here, other than, like I say, the aluminum radiator, power steering. They've updated it to power disc brakes, 727 torqueflite automatic trans. And again, you can see its body color underneath, and I got some good pictures of the bottom. Mirror looks good. The chrome looks really nice too. Again, couple little touch-up marks as you walk around it. You can nitpick them all. Door seams looks good. I think this is all the original interior. You can see it's got a showing little wear there in the rear. Bucket, center console, steering wheel looks good. Yeah, 63406. There's a couple of gauges. I know the fuel gauge and the temp gauge we're gonna have to try to fix or put some aftermarket gauges in there. They're not functioning. Blower motor worked. It's original AM radio. I got nothing on it. Dual exhaust, 8 3/4 rear axle, no big gear, probably stock 323. Body color in the trunk like it's supposed to be. Again, you look underneath it, it's all body color. If I remember right, they did change a rear floor pan on it. I think the rest of the panels might be original. Dash is definitely all original. Center console looks good. Fires right up. Sounds like there might be a little cam, but pretty stock. It's a good looking body style, and again, very rare. 628, like I say, and if you break that down between automatics and 4-speeds, there's even less. See, the only gauge up there really working is the yellow gauge. Good sound. You get anything on the radio. Blower motor worked. I know when you turn the right and left turn signals on the dash, that stuff in the dash worked. Again, guys, make sure you keep track of our inventory. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram and our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page, guys. You can do that by clicking a little button there at the bottom. That way you get a notification every time I post a new video. Great way to keep track of us, guys. Good looking car. Beautiful color combo. Love the color combo.
Have a great day, guys!